Unlocking strength after 40. The natural powders that can rebuild your vitality and reverse age-related muscle loss. Have you ever noticed that over the years, your body doesn't respond like it once did? Tasks that were once effortless, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, going for long walks, suddenly demand more effort. You may feel a little more sluggish in the morning, need more recovery time after activities, or experience persistent aches in your joints and muscles. Many accept this physical decline as just another part of aging. But what if that wasn't the full story? What if there was a natural, proven way to reclaim your strength, revive your energy, and protect your body from premature aging? The truth is, in many ancient and long-living cultures, especially among Buddhist monks and communities known for longevity, food has always been regarded as the first line of defense against time. These traditions have long used certain natural powders not just to nourish the body but to preserve strength, clarity, and mobility well into their later years. These aren't new inventions or trendy superfoods, they're time-tested ingredients backed by modern science and cultural wisdom. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 most powerful natural powders for restoring your body's strength after 40. Each one plays a unique role, from rebuilding muscle and reducing inflammation to enhancing energy metabolism and supporting mental clarity. Used together, they form a holistic strategy to reverse the invisible decline that happens with age and empower you to live your years with strength and autonomy. Understanding what happens to our bodies after 40. Let's start by understanding what's at stake. After the age of 40, our bodies enter a subtle but serious battle. One of the most insidious changes is a condition called sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. This happens even if your weight on the scale doesn't change, which is why it often goes unnoticed. After 50, this muscle loss can accelerate at a rate of 1–2% per year. What does this mean? It means that even if you feel relatively fit, your body may already be losing muscle, slowing down metabolically, and becoming more vulnerable to injuries and disease. It's not just about feeling a little weaker. It's about the quality of life you can maintain as you age. Without intervention, sarcopenia leads to frailty, loss of mobility, and increased risk of falls, eventually robbing you of independence. It's a silent decline that many only notice when they've already lost a significant portion of what they once had. But it doesn't have to be this way. By understanding what's happening inside your body, and by using the right tools, nutritional, physical, and mental, you can change the trajectory of your aging process. That's where these 5 powders come in. 1. Turmeric. The golden shield against inflammation. First on our list is a spice you've probably already heard of, turmeric, often called the golden powder in ancient Eastern traditions. Used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Buddhist medicine, turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories in the world. Why it matters after 40. Chronic, low-level inflammation is one of the biggest threats to longevity and muscle health. It interferes with your body's ability to recover, regenerate, and function efficiently. Over time, these micro-inflammatory processes contribute to joint pain, fatigue, and the loss of physical capacity. How turmeric helps. Curcumin reduces systemic inflammation, improving joint function and reducing pain. It supports cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation, helping transport nutrients more efficiently to your muscles. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress and premature aging. How to use it. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into warm foods, smoothies, or teas. Always pair it with a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. 2. Collagen. The invisible framework of strength. If turmeric is your shield, then collagen is your scaffold. Collagen makes up nearly 30% of the protein in your body, forming the structural framework of your muscles, tendons, joints, ligaments, and skin. Starting around age 30, natural collagen production begins to decline. By age 40, that loss accelerates dramatically. The consequences. Loss of muscle tone and firmness. weak joints and increased risk of injury, sagging skin and poor recovery from physical stress. How collagen helps. Strengthens tendons and joints, reducing the risk of strains and pain. Reinforces muscle tissue, supporting recovery and tone. Promotes skin elasticity and internal resilience. How to use it. Add 10 to 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, the most absorbable form, to your morning coffee, smoothie, or yogurt. Consistency is key. Daily use yields the best results. 3. Spirulina, a deep cellular rebuilder. Spirulina is one of the oldest living organisms on Earth, a blue-green algae rich in high-quality protein, antioxidants, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and more. It's been used by civilizations like the Aztecs and remains a cornerstone of modern longevity practices. Why it matters. Spirulina provides dense, easily absorbed nutrition in small doses, perfect for aging bodies that need maximum nutrient efficiency. Benefits include rebuilding muscle tissue with plant-based proteins, combating oxidative stress that accelerates cell aging, enhancing immune function and fighting fatigue, supporting detoxification, improving energy levels and cellular renewal. How to use it. Start with half a teaspoon daily, mixed into smoothies or juice. The taste is strong, but the benefits are immense. 4. Matcha, the calm energy of the ancients. Matcha is a type of powdered green tea traditionally consumed by Buddhist monks to maintain alertness and calm energy during long meditation sessions. But it's also one of the most powerful antioxidant foods on the planet. What makes it different from regular green tea? Matcha uses the whole ground leaf, meaning you get all the nutrients, not just what's infused into water. Benefits for aging include high in EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain, heart, and muscles. Boosts metabolism, supporting fat loss and energy regulation. Contains L-theanine, an amino acid that enhances focus and calm alertness. Reduces cellular damage, helping your body recover and regenerate. How to use it. Stir half a teaspoon of matcha into hot water, smoothies, or almond milk. It's an excellent coffee alternative for clean, steady energy. 5. Creatine, the powerhouse of longevity. And now, the crown jewel of this guide: creatine. Most people associate creatine with bodybuilders or athletes, but the truth is, creatine is one of the most extensively studied and safest supplements for aging adults. It naturally occurs in your body and is critical for producing quick, usable energy in your muscles and brain. Why creatine is essential after 40. Your natural creatine stores decline with age. Lower creatine, slower muscle recovery, weaker strength, and mental fatigue. Supplementing creatine restores energy where your body needs it most, especially during physical exertion and recovery. Beyond muscle, creatine supports brain health, protects against cognitive decline, supports memory, and reduces brain fog. Bone density, helps maintain muscle strength, which is vital for supporting your skeletal structure. Independence, enhances your ability to perform everyday activities without assistance. How to use it. Take 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily. No need to load or cycle, it works best with consistent use. The secret is in the synergy. Each of these powders offers unique benefits, but together, they create a comprehensive foundation for aging with power. They don't work like magic bullets. You won't wake up tomorrow feeling 20 years younger. But over time, they help your body rebuild what aging tries to take away. Think of them as tools, not miracle cures. To make the most of them, support your body with a balanced, whole food diet rich in quality protein, healthy fats, and colorful fruits and vegetables. Consistent movement, simple strength training, walking, stretching, or yoga. Quality sleep, hydration, and stress management. Your body is a remarkable machine. Given the right fuel and care, it can recover, strengthen, and renew at any age. Final thoughts. Aging is inevitable, but decline is optional. If you've read this far, then you've already taken the most important step, awareness. Now it's time to take action. The truth is, your future is not defined by your age, it's defined by your choices. And the daily decision to nourish your body, move it, and support it with the right tools makes all the difference. The 5 powders we've explored, turmeric, collagen, spirulina, matcha, and creatine, are ancient in their origins but revolutionary in their modern application. They represent a shift from decline to empowerment. From merely existing to thriving. You have the ability to age with strength, with clarity, and with purpose. And it starts today, with a small but powerful commitment to yourself. So say it out loud or write it down. I choose to age with strength and awareness. This is your new beginning.